Welcome guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we are going to be looking at my Audi. It's a 400 horsepower Audi S3 Sedan. Very special car to me, and I've got Niku. I don't know if everybody remembers Niku from the Audi drifting.
How's it guys? It's called sliding, not drifting. We clarified this already.
Yes.
Come on.
Okay, well we attempted to drift.
We're tempted.
So we're going to be driving my car, and we're going to be talking about the difference between the S3 Sedan and his hatch, as well as the exhaust that we got on. You got a bit of a different exhaust. I've got my exhaust,
and the difference between the sedan and hatchback.
Yeah, no, you're like driving.
Pros and cons.
Yeah, so there's differences in that. Yeah, so please enjoy the video. So I'm gonna talk about a little bit of my suspension. It's a bit lowered. I had it on H&R sports springs, I think, and it was very uncomfortable. It was super low, but it was and it looked good, but it wasn't uncomfortable. It was very very bouncy. And then
it felt like your back was breaking.
Yeah, no, it was bad. Then I went to Eibach, and I was very surprised it was actually just as low. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Serious?
Yes, the H&R. I bought the Eibach because I thought that it wasn't as low as the H&R.
Oh.
But once I put it on, it was actually just as low. But as you can feel, it actually
it's really
rides,
smooth.
Yeah, just like actually a little bit even better than the standard suspension.
No, I can feel it compared to mine. I mean, geez.
It's actually.
Mine feels like I can break my kidneys at the same time as well.
And you got what standard
ones.
Yeah.
I don't even think they're sports suspension. They're not even magnetic ride.
Yeah, no, seriously, this is really good. First pick on these suspension. When you.
First pick. Along with other stuff. Like I might want to steal your rims at the same time.
Full price. Okay, so
that will work on it.
I'm gonna do a little bit of cracking pop.
Oh, that pull. But those pops. Can we make it open the window and maybe it'll sound like it from the outside?
It's just gonna have wind noise. It's gonna have wind noise.
But yeah, I mean,
because we're going at 60 k's an hour.
And it does a lot of wind,
We're only doing 60 k's an hour. And I did this exhaust, I think, 4 times. I have 4 different exhausts.
Jeez, really?
This is the 4th one.
Yo.
They had to build me an exhaust that did not... The last one I had was amazing, was loud, but the problem was at 140 kilometers per hour.
You mean 120?
Yes, 120 kilometers per hour.
120?
Yes.
We're not illegal like that.
No, we can't do 140. I mean, what I meant was 120.
It
just had this one drone that you cannot even.
So everything was vibrating.
No, not
like that.
Not vibrating. It was just that drone in your ear, and you can't even think yourself.
Oh, it's so the headache ones.
Hear your own thoughts.
Ooh,
that was bad. It was really bad. And then.
So almost like that, but continuously.
Yes. At 120.
But louder.
And you can't even hear your own thoughts.
Going back to suspensions, if you had to recommend people to, if they had like a budget and they say, okay, would you rather save a little extra long term and buy the Eibach, or would you rather like say, okay, if you don't mind the ride, the bounciness of the ride, or the back braking a little bit, but it still looks nice, would you still go for HR?
HR is actually more expensive than Eibach.
Really? I actually thought it was the other way around.
Eibach is, I think, 4,000, 5,000 rand. H&R's are about 6,000. They're actually more expensive.
Oh wow.
They're actually little bit more expensive.
Okay, so then long term,
Eibach.
Eibach. Should we do one pool?
Yeah, we're gonna do a pool now. So I'm
Yes,
just gonna do a
it's my
turn,
favorite
and
point.
We're gonna listen to the exhaust while we're going high revs. I'm gonna try and find a stretch now.
Cool.
See if we can hear the engine noise while I'm pulling it. Because you all about the pops and bangs.
I love that
That's
stuff.
all you care about.
That's
But
all. I try to do it even with. Can I tell you something?
No cars.
Yes.
Right. Okay. But it's not about the pops and bangs. Listen, Nana. Let's just keep quiet.
Mm-hmm.
Stop talking about pops and bangs. And yeah, we can just listen.
Coming through. Jeez, that was epic.
That was nice. Eh?
Yes.
My phone flew all the way back. Oh my word! Here's my phone.
Shouldn't be worried about your phone when you're while driving.
120 k's an hour. We only went up to 120 k's an hour.
Oh yeah, definitely.
This stretch is 120 k's an hour. Is it?
I have no idea. You're the driver.
Yes, it's 120 k's an hour.
Oh yeah. I like how that one person's like, no, okay, I'm just gonna park off on the side here.
But you hear the engine noise.
Oh yeah, no,
as
that
I'm
was
pushing
bliss.
it.
I'm sorry, I kind of was freaked out and was like a little kid. It's like woohoo!
But yeah, no, the engine noise of the car is amazing. Geez, even the radio's on. The phone hit the radio.
Yeah, I
button.
just like left it.
No, but that's the whole thing. Like the exhaust note and the engine,
All
everything
coming together.
just comes together. You know, that's what you want. And obviously the pops and bangs is a special, lovely extra thing that you don't have.
Privilege.
Shit.
VIP.
Are you gonna cry now?
Yeah, a little bit.
And like I said, you need to lower your car, but you have to choose the right suspension. And my suggestion would be the Eibach. You know, Eibach springs are the best.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's a little bit cheaper, so it's more affordable.
Yes, and
it does the better job.
Yeah, and
in
we
the
were
long
talking
run.
about it earlier. You know, it drives just actually a little bit more comfortable than the standard ride.
And how do you, with the, obviously we're going back with the Eibach, when it comes to speed bumps, all right, no issues?
It doesn't bottom out. No. No.
Okay.
But obviously your car is lower, so you can't go into a speed bump at 40 k's an hour.
No, obviously not.
You know, you got to go gently over it. Otherwise, it doesn't bottom out. The H&Rs actually did bottom out.
And they were a little bit higher.
No. They were the same height. But I think because of the design of the spring, it bottomed out a little bit.
So it didn't sit well.
No, not really. No. But otherwise, sure. I think.
We're gonna end it there.
Yeah, I think we're gonna head home.
Sweet.
What do you want to get something to eat?
I'm hungry. All that excitement got me hungry.
We'll go get some McDonald's.
Yay.
Cheers, guys. See you next time.
Cheers.
Ciao.